Hey, to hide your photos, videos, or for example documents on the Realme GT 6, first of all, you will have to open settings. Next, you will have to start scrolling and go for security and the privacy. Then scroll all the way down and select private save. And right now you will have to actually input your privacy password, but if you didn't create the privacy password previously, you will have to set it up right now. Now, when you enter here, let's say that I want to hide my images, so I have to click here, I have to tap add, and now I want to select something from my gallery. For example, not like this, maybe just a few of them. And if I scroll down, I can select older photos. And now to confirm, I can click to set as a private. Now I have to just wait. And it's finished. As you can see now, all of these images are visible only in this private save. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.